National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarksville, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Clarksville, Cornelia, Baldwin, Demarest, Mount Airy, Tallulah Falls, Hollywood, Boydville, and Turnerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia, Habersham and Stevens, and Oconee, South Carolina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 459 remains in effect.